I'd just like to touch quickly on health and safety, so there's a few factors here to consider. Fume, electrical, heat, and vision. So just like welding, it's going to be a bright glare coming from the table. It might not be as bright as maybe arc welding or MIG welding, but there's still potential there to damage your eyes. So please think carefully about eye protection. It could be you've got a welding helmet that you can reduce the shade on, or you get some gas cutting goggles, whatever, but protect your eyes. The next part is fume. The fume that comes off any plasma CNC table is to be taken seriously. If it gets on your lungs, it's going to stay there. It's not good for you. There are several ways you can reduce this. One, obviously we keep water on the table to keep that fume level down. Yes, you can keep your doors on your shed open, put a fan in, or think about something neat like the optical Swiss air unit. This unit is a backpack setup that feeds fresh air through to your face. This will reduce pretty much all of your harmful chemical that you might breathe in. When we're using a CNC plasma cutter, there's a lot of heat generated in this process. So it's a good idea to have some welding gloves or a magnet stick that you can pick your objects up with when you're finished. Don't make the mistake of reaching for the plate while it's still hot. So in regards to electricity, again, on single phase machines, they draw a lot of current. If you're not sure about your setup at home, please talk to an electrician and make sure this is done safely.